Our bodies exhibit a range of intriguing responses when we experience emotions, many of which occur beyond our control, leaving us to wonder why. A common example is the sensation of butterflies in the stomach, often felt during moments of excitement or anxiety. But what exactly causes this reaction? In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this phenomenon. The term butterflies in the stomach refers to a tingling sensation caused by reduced blood flow to certain organs. Much like the feeling of a dead arm, this reduction in blood flow, particularly to the intestines, is what gives rise to the fluttery sensation. The primary cause of butterflies in the stomach is the body's release of adrenaline during a fight or flight response, a physiological reaction triggered by feelings of threat, nervousness, or danger. During this state, blood is directed away from non-essential organs like the intestines and toward muscles, increasing heart rate and preparing the body for swift action. The restricted blood flow causes the intestines to contract, often leading to the need to urinate, as well as the sensation of butterflies. The fight or flight response has evolutionary roots, once crucial for survival when our ancestors faced predators. While not everyone experiences butterflies in the same way, those with heightened anxiety may feel it more intensely, while others may simply feel lightheaded or dizzy. This sensation is also associated with social anxiety, especially when facing judgment or conflict. People with social anxiety disorder might experience butterflies during everyday tasks due to their heightened fear of social situations. To alleviate this feeling, it's helpful to focus on relaxation techniques. As your body calms down, the heart rate slows, blood flow returns to normal, and the sensation fades. Interestingly, we may also feel butterflies when falling in love. The uncertainty of new emotions can trigger nervousness, activating the same fight or flight response. In summary, butterflies in the stomach occur when reduced blood flow to the intestines causes a fluttering sensation, a natural response during moments of anxiety, nervousness, or even love.